Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're going to the supermarket. I want to try out these instant Makguksu packets that you can buy in Korea here at the supermarkets. Let's go. Today's mission is to use one of these packets to cook two different versions of the same dish. The first version is following the directions on the back and using mostly ingredients from the packet. The second, I'm going to actually add a few extra ingredients to make it a little bit more special. So let's see how it goes. And there's the packet that I want, Dilgirim Memil Makguksu. We're back from the store and we've got our Dilgirim Makguksu packet. Here it is right here. Instructions are on the back. It looks pretty simple, so let's open it up and see what's inside. There we go. We have memilmyeon, 2 servings. Oh wow, okay. What is this? This is our dilgirim. This is the Perilla seed oil, Perilla oil. This is our yuksu, kanjang soy sauce yuksu. So we'll put that at the bottom of the bowl once we're done. And this is our chamge, and it's got gimgomyeong. So that means like dried seaweed flakes and sesame seeds. All right, let's take these and let's get started. And here are the extra ingredients that I'm going to put in. So we've got some beef that I'm going to fry up. We've got perilla seed powder, some chives, as well as some other things. So we're going to combine that with what comes in the packet, which you can see on screen now. And let's see the differences in the two different dishes that I'm going to make. The first big difference is my seaweed. There's the seaweed from the packet. It looks okay. There's not many sesame seeds in there, so let's make it a bit better. Take some gim. This is the roasted from packet sort of gim or seaweed. Mix up some of my own sesame seeds and then mix it in with the gim. Look, there's lots of sesame seeds in this one, but the one that we have from the store, not so many. Second is we're going to add some chives. Look at the picture on the packet. There's like chives on it. So you've got to add some chives on top. Got to follow, at least make it look like what it looks like in the picture. For our noodles, it says on the back 3 minutes in boiling water. So 3 minutes, make sure you mix them around. They're like really pushed together. So if you don't mix them up, they'll clump together too much. And then after 3 minutes of boiling, take them out, rinse them under cold water. Give them a really good rinse and get your hands in there. Rub off the starch. There's a lot of starch on these ones. It's really starchy compared to the ones I usually use. So give them a really good mix and get the starch off. Here's our packet soy sauce. Okay, get that on. Now this was the gim or the seaweed from the packet. Get that too. Got our little sesame seeds, you can see. Add our chives, make it look like it looks on the on the picture there. There's the dilgirim. If you look at the packet, you can see them pouring something out of a bottle. That's basically what that is. And not bad. So that's essentially what you're getting. I've added the chives, but that's it. Let's make it a little bit more delicious though. First, you've got to add beef, I reckon. This is such a tasty way to eat it. You could probably slice it up thinly if you wanted. I just did it in bigger pieces. Here's my gim. Much better flavor from this. It doesn't look, it sort of falls everywhere, but that's okay. Beautiful. It's harder to put the chives on top. The dilgirim. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of perilla seed powder. I love just the way it looks, and I love the flavor you get from perilla seed powder. Don't put too much though. It will overpower it. Look at that. Yum. Or at least it looks yum. Here's a quick review. This was not delicious at all. My one looks better than the one from the packet, but we're still using the packet ingredients, the soy sauce and the dilgirim, and it tasted horrible. The memil, that's the noodles, that was horrible too. So I highly recommend you go to my channel and look up the Makguksu recipe that I make. Follow that one and just make it from scratch. It's not that hard, and the taste is 1,000 times better. So it's a thumbs down from me actually.